Hello everybody. I'm going to show you how to get the list helper library that you're going to be using for a lot of your work in the next couple of weeks. So first go to bit.ly/java-list-helper-2021. And the link to that is in the description of the YouTube video. It's a jar file, which you're going to download. And once it's downloaded, please don't click on it in the bar at the bottom. Please don't double click on anything. It's okay to download it even though it says that it can harm your computer. The only reason it says that is because you're downloading code that can run. And so if you don't trust whoever gave you the code, there's no way of telling what the code is going to do on your computer. But I wrote this code, and I hope that you trust me. So like I was saying, once it's downloaded, don't click on anything inside your browser. Instead, use your navigator, your file navigator. In Windows, it's File Explorer. On Mac, it's Finder. And go to your Downloads folder. And you should see list-helper.jar. Again, don't double-click on anything. We're not trying to run this file. Instead, copy it, which you could either do through the menu or by hitting Control-C or Command-C. And now we're ready to make a new project in IntelliJ. So open up IntelliJ. Let's make a totally new project by going to File, New Project. You can name the project whatever you want, or if you already have an existing project, you can just put the jar file into the project in the way I'm about to show you. I'm going to just call it Test2. So once you've got a project, here's how you put the jar file into your project so that it can be used. Right-click at the top of your project folder here, and go down to Paste. And it's going to ask if you want to paste list-helper.jar and click OK. And so now you should be able to see list-helper.jar. Right-click on it, and at the very bottom, go to Add as Library and click OK. And once you've done that, it should work. Let's type one quick test line of code just to make sure it works. So inside src, click New Java Class. I'm just going to call it Main. Create a public static void main. And let's make an array list that can hold string objects, which I'll call list. And now with a capital L, start typing list helper, and it hopefully will autocomplete. But if it doesn't, go ahead and type the entire list helper. And then you can say make list, and then you can type a list of strings like this, separated by commas. And this will turn that into an array list. You'll probably have to import this array list. You may have to import list helper, but I don't think that you should. And then you can display the list as an output. And if everything has worked correctly, you should see something like this. You should see ABCD, which is a list that was created from those inputs. Okay, good luck.